Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am a cleaning little bee. I'm super motivated to declutter and organize. Last night, after the recommendation from my sister, Sean and I started a new Netflix series, and it's called Tidying Up with Marie. And oh my goodness, I've never been so motivated in my life to declutter and organize and just get things in their home. So today I'm starting in our bedroom because that is the place that I think the clutter lands the most. Our bedroom just ends up being like the breeding ground for stuff out of Sean's wallet and pockets. All of our drawers and nightside tables are just a disaster, and we really need to just declutter, throw a lot of stuff away. So that's what today is for. I'm also going to rip out all of the dresser drawers and clean and refold and organize and donate or throw away things that need to go. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really love cleaning videos. So yeah, if you like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and let's just get to it. Okay, so I don't know if any of you guys feel like this, but whenever I declutter and clean, I feel like I'm running around the house like a mad woman. I find something that needs to go to the bathroom, and then upstairs and downstairs and to the other room, and it just feels like you're running around like a mad woman. Okay, I got this pretty much cleared off. But yeah, this is pretty much as clean as it's gonna get. I mean, I'm not gonna get rid of functional things. Sean just has to have that stuff here. And we have 16 different deodorants. So some things you just have to be flexible and make it functional for your home. Even though it might not look super pretty, it works and it's clean. Right, Allie? Okay, so next we're moving on to the bedside table nightstand. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Okay, there's one drawer down. So the main thing that I've learned from that Netflix series is that you should stack everything to where you can see it and not pile things, and always use bins for things that are miscellaneous. We put in here. So yeah, it looks much better. There's actually plenty of room for other things, but that's all that needs to go in there. So now on to the next one. Okay, you guys, I got this drawer done. I threw away so much stuff. And then I had a few keepsakes. Look at Sean. I had a few keepsakes that I want to put in our tote separately. The cords are not very pretty, but again, these are all, this is for a diffuser and just extra cords. And this is the best place to put them. And I love our oil set. So I keep those right here because we always run the diffuser right by our bed. Okay, so that's it for the drawers and what's laying out. Now it's on to the clothes, cleaning out the dresser drawers and the closet. Okay, so the camera died as I was working, but this is the after of the closet. Looks so much better. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt the Marie way of folding where you put everything horizontal. We'll see if it helps. And then I put short socks, long socks. Looks better. Okay, now it's my turn. I emptied out my first drawer, and I have 2 more drawers of messes. But Sean's now looks amazing, I think. Looks so much better. I feel like dresser drawers are so hard because they never look perfect because it's like socks and stuff, you know? But anyways, okay. Okay, so I just got the living room done, and now I'm on to the worst room in the house. Sean?
Oh boy.
I'm nervous about even showing you guys. So the guys have been down here working all day on the plumbing because we're redoing the upstairs bathroom, as most of you know. So we had to move everything and this...
Moving the toilet and the shower.
Yeah,
and the sink
upstairs. And so, but all the plumbing is down here, and this is our laundry room. And so, obviously, it's a breeding ground for a bunch of stuff.
Right, and obviously, it's really messy
right now
because we've been working down here.
But this is the current state. So we've just moved everything out so the guys can get to all the plumbing. And there's tools everywhere. The floor's a mess. So I'm gonna do a quick tidy. Do you think I can?
Of course you can, Brooke.
So let's try to get this organized. So I know this room is not very glamorous, but in real life. The infamous junk drawer. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is just never ending. I keep going to the next room and finding more drawers and more things to declutter and organize, but I'm feeling good and I'm feeling like I'm towards the end for the day. So I think this is gonna be my last drawer. I've done the kitchen, downstairs, several rooms. So this is what it looks like right now. I just emptied everything out, and now I need to put everything back in the way it should be and throw probably half of this away. Good morning, everyone.
Hello, everybody.
So yesterday I ran out of time, out of energy.
She was right in my way. I was putting water lines in, and there was a feud there for a second. So
yeah, so I didn't get the rest of the laundry room figured out. So I'm gonna go down there, clean up that shelf, and then I'll be done.
Yep, I'm gonna go out and shovel the driveway.
We got
I shoveled the same spot like 4 times. I figured I'd get a jump start on it, but it didn't work out. So
here we go. Okay, you guys, pardon the noise. We got the washer and dryer going, but I think it looks better. It was kind of hard because it's just stuff that obviously is not very pretty, but I at least have everything organized and clean. And then I got these 2 bins for like stuff that is just kind of stray items, cleaning items. And then this one is our towels for cleaning. So that feels good. I think it looks a lot better. That feels so good to get all of that done. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope it just motivated you, or at least just made you feel good. I love watching cleaning videos, and it truly motivates me to get up and start decluttering and cleaning. So I hope that worked for you, and just make sure to stay tuned for more remodel videos. And if you guys enjoyed this one, I will continue to do cleaning videos for you. So let me know in the comments below. Thank you. We'll see you in our next video.